Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites, program fit, deadlines, and required tests. This prevents wasted effort later. Once done, gather your ID, official transcripts, test scores, resume, and 2 to 3 recommendations so nothing delays submission. Make a school portal account now and verify accepted file types and application fee amounts. Request fee waivers if needed. Doing these first saves time and reduces stress, because you won't pause mid-application to hunt down a missing document. You now complete the core application. Enter accurate personal data that matches ID and transcripts, because mismatches cause verification delays. Compose concise, targeted essays that explain why you belong. Structure them with clear examples and proof of fit. Upload documents in the portal, then preview every PDF to check margins and legibility. Make payment or attach a fee waiver. Finally, submit and record confirmation numbers. This stage demands attention to detail, since simple errors create long holdups. You finish by deciding and committing. Compare offers, financial aid, and deadlines, then accept the chosen school and pay the deposit to secure your spot. Next, register for classes, apply for housing, and upload any remaining healthcare or immunization records. Attend orientation, pick up your ID, and confirm financial aid disbursement so tuition charges are covered. If something goes wrong, missing transcripts, or a missed deadline, contact admissions immediately. Request an extension or expedited transcript, and follow up until resolved.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.